Welcome to the world of role-playing games, or RPGs for short, where imagination meets adventure. RPGs let players assume the roles of fictional characters, exploring vast worlds filled with quests, magic, and epic battles. The genre dates back to the early 1970s when Dungeons and Dragons laid the groundwork for tabletop RPGs. Fun fact, Dungeons and Dragons became so popular that it sparked a moral panic in the 1980s known as the Satanic Panic. Fast forward to the 1980s and 90s when video games like Final Fantasy, The Legend of Zelda, and Ultima brought RPGs to digital screens. Japanese RPGs, or JRPGs, are known for their strong storylines and turn-based combat, while Western RPGs focus more on open-world exploration. Fun fact, in Final Fantasy VII, the developers couldn't fit all the game content onto one disc, so they used three. And did you know? The Witcher series is based on a popular book series by Anders Sapkowski and has since inspired a hit Netflix show. RPGs often feature character classes like warriors, mages, and rogues, each with unique abilities and playstyles. The branching dialogue choices in RPGs allow players to shape the story, making every playthrough unique. In The Elder Scrolls V, Skyrim, you can spend hours exploring side quests or even just picking flowers. Tabletop RPGs like Pathfinder and Call of Cthulhu provide endless customization and creativity. LARPing, or live-action role-playing, takes RPGs to the next level, with players dressing up and acting out their characters' actions in real-world settings. And let's not forget embarks like World of Warcraft, which allow millions of players to quest and raid together online. Did you know? World of Warcraft has such a rich world that its in-game books could fill a library with lore. Another MMORPG, Final Fantasy XIV, is famous for its heartfelt storytelling and community spirit. Tabletop RPGs have evolved too, with games like Blades in the Dark and Monster of the Week offering unique spins on storytelling. Did you know? The critical hit system in RPGs originated from Dungeons and Dragons, making those high rolls all the more satisfying. RPGs also feature iconic quests like The Witcher 3's Bloody Baron questline, which has been praised for its deep storytelling. Character customization is key in RPGs. In Cyberpunk 2077, players can choose everything from their character's appearance to their backstory. The choices you make in RPGs often lead to multiple endings, like in Mass Effect, where your decisions shape the fate of the galaxy. And let's not forget the companions. RPGs are famous for their memorable party members, from Mass Effect's Garrus to Dragon Age's Varric. The modding community has also transformed RPGs, with mods adding new quests, characters, and even entirely new worlds to explore. Let's not overlook the influence of tabletop RPGs on video games. Many digital RPGs borrow storytelling and mechanics from their tabletop counterparts. For instance, Divinity, Original Sin, and Baldur's Gate both use turn-based combat reminiscent of traditional tabletop games. MMORPGs have also created entire subcultures. Guilds, role-playing servers, and in-game economies form vibrant online communities. RPG soundtracks often become legendary too. From Chrono Trigger's iconic theme to The Witcher 3's haunting melodies, the music brings these worlds to life. Don't forget the epic boss fights. Games like Dark Souls and Monster Hunter have made challenging bosses a central feature. The Persona series blends traditional RPG elements with life simulation, where players build relationships with their classmates by day and fight shadows by night. Indie RPGs have also made a significant impact. Games like Undertale and Disco Elysium have redefined storytelling in the genre. Did you know? Undertale was created almost entirely by one person, Toby Fox, who also composed the game's soundtrack. Whether you're into high fantasy, sci-fi, or anything in between, there's an RPG world waiting for you to explore. So grab your sword, don your armor, and prepare for adventure in the magical world of RPGs.